How to verify your YouTube channel. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to verify your YouTube channel. In order to verify your YouTube channel, first thing first, make sure that the device is connected to an internet service and go ahead and log in into your YouTube account. For that, open up a web browser and then on the web address bar type in studio.youtube.com. This is going to take you to your YouTube channel. After you're logged into your account, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. So then in the left hand side bar, as you can see, there are multiple options. So from the list, you need to click on settings. As soon as you click on settings, you'll be able to see a pop-up menu right in front of your screen. So from the list, you need to click on channel in the left hand side bar once again. On the other side, there are three different options. So you need to click on advanced settings and scroll down right to the bottom and then click on manage YouTube account, which is right at the bottom. Now this is going to direct you to the other interface. So over here, you'll need to click on channel status and free, which is right on top. Now as soon as you click on it, you'll need to check the eligibility. So in the channel status and features section, and you will see your channel's current status. So you will need to meet certain eligibility requirement to verify your channel. Now if you meet the eligibility criteria, you should see an option to verify your channel. So click on it. After that, choose the method of verifying your account. Either through SMS or an email, and after that your account will be verified. Now after entering the verification code, click on the submit button or verify. If the code is correct, your channel will be verified. Now you should receive a confirmation message that your channel is now verified. Now please note that the available of a channel verification options and the eligibility criteria may change over time, so it's a customer service team. So it's always good to contact the customer service team and visit the website itself. So in this way you can verify your YouTube channel. That is all for this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.